Human nature. It's a phrase that we throw around like we have it all figured out. But we don't. You see, human nature is naturally messy. It's contradictory. It's that war inside every single one of us. See, people think that the biggest battles are out there, but the real battlefield is in your head. Because human nature has this way of always pulling you toward the easy road. Always. We're not wired to thrive. We're wired to merely survive. But that doesn't make you weak. That makes you human. So the real question is, what are you gonna do about it? So often we believe that human nature is our prison. But it's not. It's just your starting point. And motivation isn't gonna save you from human nature. But you know what does? Discipline. Hunger, and having a vision for something greater. So if you want to grow, you are going to have to fight the part of you that wants to stay the same. If you want to win, you're going to have to let go of the version of you that seeks comfort. You know, the greatest achievements in history weren't born from people who let human nature dictate their lives. They came from people who broke it. People who pushed when their body screamed stop. People who risked when their mind begged for safety. And people who redefined what it means to be human by refusing to settle on default settings. So my challenge to you, well, the next time fear grips you, I want you to stop and recognize it for what it is. That's just your biology trying to keep you small. Because the day you decide to rise is the day you stop just existing and start living. Human nature isn't your cage, it's your test. And your destiny is to break it.